Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you want to upgrade your space with a really pretty light, have a look at this one from CLARSYNE. It has a really beautiful style. It has a pleated fabric cover, which is gorgeous. We have it in white. It comes in different options as well. It drops down just a little bit from the ceiling and it's got the gold finish on it. So very modern and beautiful. What I especially love about this light is how easy it is to install. It comes in 3 pieces. They just screw together and then you install it onto the ceiling. Really easy, it goes up in just a few minutes. The customer service of this company is amazing. We had a bit of an issue. It turns out it was our own electrical, so nothing to do with the light, but they were on top of it and very helpful. This light would be perfect in any room. We especially love it here in the hallway, but in an entryway or in a bedroom, it's a nice size, not too large, so perfect for smaller spaces. If you're looking to upgrade your lighting and you want something that you won't have to replace anytime soon because the style will last a very long time, I think you'll be super pleased with this one. And that's my point of view.